To do demolition takeoff using the Quick Measure on-screen software, we bring the plan up onto the screen and set the scale. And let's say we need to do a linear footage takeoff of all the Type 3 walls we need to knock down. So what we'll do is simply click one end of the wall, click the other end of the wall with the mouse. As you can see, it leaves a color image of what we're taking off, and we'll just simply go around and we'll grab all the linear footage for that type of wall. And it also, if you notice, with the color drawing that we've made, we can now print that out and give that to the guys in the field. Now once we've taken all the Type 3 walls to demo, we would then go to the top, hit the Done button up here, and as you see, it transfers that quantity directly back to an Excel spreadsheet. So the idea is you do your takeoff quantities, and the quantities then will go directly back to your own Excel spreadsheets to help you price out your bid with great accuracy and precision using the Quick Measure on-screen software.